Hi guys, welcome back. This is Erica right here. I'm a Taiwanese citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling are my passion, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. I make kitchen trivia shorts and Asian home cooking videos on this channel, so if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. In our last week's video, we have been talking all about the yarlong beans. Starting from what is a yarlong bean, how to choose them in a market, to how to clean, store, and cook them at home. If you haven't seen that yet, definitely check it out. The link will be up here for you. And today we're gonna use the yarlong bean to make a very simple 5-minute recipe, the garlic yarlong bean. So screenshot! Here's the ingredient that we'll need for today's recipe. First, we'll need some yarlong beans, garlic, and some olive oil. Also, we'll need some broth, cooking wine, sugar, salt, and white pepper powder. Besides that, we'll also need some baking soda to blanch our beans, and if you want extra umami in this, you can also get some bacon. First things first, let's prep our yarlong beans. We've mentioned in our previous video how yarlong beans cannot be eaten raw, just like green beans. That's because yarlong beans contains lectin and saponin. Eating them uncooked can lead to nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and bloating. So the most important thing about cooking a yarlong beans is to make sure you cook them through. Boiling them will take around 4 minutes of your time, and if you prepare to stir fry them, I'll still recommend you to blanch them for around 2 minutes before you stir fry. So today, that's what we're gonna do. Wash your yarlong beans real quick and snap off the ends. Cut them into 2-inch pieces and set them aside. We want to pre-mix our sauce in a bowl with broth, cooking wine, sugar, salt, and white pepper powder. Mix them well together and also set them aside. To blanch your yarlong beans, you'll need some baking soda and salt in your water. So bring a pot of water to boil and add in your salt and baking soda. This can help them keep the green color. Blanch them in high heat for 2 minutes and scoop it out right away. Now heat up your wok and add in a little bit of oil. Wait till the oil is hot, you can add in your minced garlic. Stir for around 10 seconds till the garlic is aromatic, then add in your blanched bean as well as the mixed sauce, and let it braise in medium heat for 1 minute. If you're not vegan and you want to add in some meat flavor, before you add in the bean and the sauce, you can stir fry your bacon in it for a little bit. Just around 30 grams of bacon strip will do. Now time's up, turn out the heat, and done! The garlic yarlong bean is ready. Wow, how easy is this recipe? The broth I used today is a mushroom vegan broth, but you can use chicken broth, Japanese dashi, or even Korean anchovy broth, whatever you have. Here are the links to some broth choices that we have on this channel. The main flavor of this dish came from the broth, so depends on the broth you use, it might taste slightly different than mine today. If you ever tried this recipe with different type of broth, please leave a comment down below to let me know what you use and how do you like the taste. I would really want to learn from you guys. Enjoy! Thank you for watching to the end. Let me know if you like this recipe by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only gonna take you a second, but it means a lot to me. I make video on YouTube every Monday and Thursday, so remember to hit that bell and you'll never miss out. Check out this video to learn all about the yarlong beans, and check out the video down below to learn another green bean recipes. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!